can stop it, our love ain't fine. And I am burning, there is no line if you are far from me. What can I do if I don't see you again? I'm not crazy, I am just as scared. So baby, please don't go, 'cause I will miss you.
Hi guys, this is Ritzy here and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a really entertaining video for you. I decided to try to make some malt and pure soaps. And yeah, I was inspired of the sea and the mermaids. I think that you already know that I love mermaids so much. And yeah, I really like the fairies and all of that. So yeah, this time I wanted to make a video about that. And this was my first time trying to make this was the first time that I tried to make a soap with a lot of decorations and things like that, and I think that it turned out really pretty and it's so nourishing. And also for all of you that are vegan, this soap is vegan, so yeah, you can try it too if you want, or if you just want to watch, it's okay. And yeah, I hope. And also guys, actually today is my birthday, so yay! I'm actually really happy. Alex and I are going to have some cake and pizza, and yeah, maybe we're going to watch some movies and stuff like that. We cannot go out, but it's going to be a really fantastic day. And yeah, I send you lots of hugs and love, and I hope you like the video. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell button below. Let's go! Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So I just put this for protection of the area in case of something drops or something like that. And I think that I'm going to start with the decorations. So the first ones that I want to make are these ones that are beautiful. We have two cute starfishes and then some seashells and all of that. And for that, I'm going to use both clear glycerin base soap and also white. And actually this is really white, like you can see, because this is coconut base and this is honey base. So this is not as clear as other ones, but it's okay. I don't want it to be like completely transparent. Also, I'm going to use a pipette because I think that this is going to be easier to take a little bit of soap and put it in here with a pipette, and some really small spoons. And I'm going to use this to put a little bit of mica, that is a colorant, in here. And the mica that I'm going to use, actually I'm going to need a little bit more of soap, but yeah, the mica that I'm going to use is in gold. That is going to be in the transparent glycerin, and also a little bit of red. This is like a cherry red, I really like it. And this is for the stars. And I'm going to leave a little bit just in the natural color in white. So let's start melting all our soap base. I'm so excited guys. Okay guys, so my glycerin soap is completely melted, and I'm going to add the gold. Oh, also I want to add a little bit of fragrance. I'm going to add mint. I'm going to add a little bit of
This is my first time doing this, so I don't know how this is going to turn out. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm going to need more than that. Let's see. Okay, I'm sure I should dissolve the mica first before adding to the base soap, because this is too difficult. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to dissolve a little bit of mica before adding it with a little bit of oils. I think that a little bit of tea tree oil would be, because this is like getting harder and harder. So guys, because this is not working well, I actually dissolved some mica in a little bit of oils, and I'm going to pour my glycerin here because I think it's going to be easier to pour the glycerin than the mica. I don't know if this is how everybody starts, but yeah, it's not as easy as it seems to be. There's a lot of bubbles, but I watched a video where a girl says that just with rubbing alcohol, like 99%, you can get rid of all those bubbles. Well, this is pretty cool. First, you have to put some rubbing alcohol in here, and then let's add a little bit of gold. This is really pretty. Just move it around a little bit, just like this. So the front parts can have gold, because I don't want it to be completely gold, just to have some parts with gold. I think this looks pretty good. I'm going to add a little bit more of gold in this one. And maybe in the center of this one. This looks so cute. I'm going to let's heat this a little bit. I think that you're not supposed to move the mold once everything is sitting there, because you know it can have some marks. But yeah, I'm just going to melt my white base soap. So I melted my white base soap, and I'm going to do the same. Let's fill everything with white.
Just walk away. Leave me, please. Just walk away. You can walk away.
Just going to melt this other soap, and I'm going to add some red mica to it. Okay guys, I actually just did the same. I dissolved the red with a little bit of oil, and oh my gosh, I love this stone for the starfishes. I just love it. So yeah, I'm going to put it the same way. Some alcohol. Guys, the way that I'm cleaning the bed is I have here hot water, so I'm just cleaning it like that. That's how I'm cleaning this. It's so simple. So I actually think that they are completely hard, so I'm going to try to take them out. Let's see how these turn out. Whoa, that is so cute. Oh my gosh, guys, this looks so cute. Like, look at the details. It's so impressive. So right now I'm going to make way more than this, and I'll show you guys later. So this is the final result. I think that they look so cute. I'm just amazed with the details of each one, and the gold part was a really good idea. It looks amazing. It's so cute. And now guys, it's time to make the mermaid tails. I found this mold, but this is a really hard mold, so I don't know if it's going to be like really difficult to take out the soap because you can't push it well, like it's super hard. But yeah, I think that this looks pretty. You can see the details. So yeah, I'm so excited. So for this, I'm going to still use some gold because why not? Look at this, it's beautiful. So I'm going to still use some gold. I want to put some purple and pink. I think that's some blue, and I'm going to just mix it all up and use it. So I'm going to start melting the soap. For all the colors except for the gold one, I'm going to use the white glycerin soap. So let's start with the gold. This is the pink that I'm going to use. So I bought this golden blue and it's beautiful. I'm just so excited to see how this is going to look. Here is my lilac, and this is so pretty. I think that this is going to turn out really cute.
I can feel my heart rush faster when we touch. Laying at your side, and I hope you can feel my love. So catch me when I fall.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to wait like for, I think that maybe 3 minutes is going to be more than enough. Yeah, until this is completely hard. I think that just like 5 or 6 minutes passed, and yeah, I think that this is like pretty hard. Yeah, let's turn it over. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't know how am I going to take this out. Maybe. Oh, okay, guys, this is easier than I thought. Look at this, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, guys, this turned out so cute. Okay, I'm going to take out all of the pieces and then I'm going to, you know, clean the area. Okay, guys, so now we have this. I'm so amazed. Like, this looks so pretty, guys. It's beautiful. I don't know what else I can say about this. It's so cute. I just love how all of this turned out. And yeah, let's make our real soap. Well, this is part of the soap, but this is just like the decoration. So let's do our real soap. So this is my mold, and I'm going to spray some rubbing alcohol like this. And I have my gold mixture, and I'm just going to put like a really thin layer, just like this. And I'm going to spray it with some rubbing alcohol, so I don't want any bubbles. And yeah, I'm going to wait until this hardens, and then I'm going to add a little bit more gold. But yeah, I have a really good idea. I'm going to put this like diagonally. Yeah, let's see how this is going to turn out. So let's wait until this just hardens enough. So I think that this is solid enough. I'm actually going to use this because I want it to be like diagonally. I'm going to put this in here. Okay, I think that's perfect. And I'm going to add more golden soap. And now we are going to wait until this is completely solid. For all the white parts, I'm going to use, of course, white glycerin. I actually decided to add a little bit of titanium dioxide because that is going to make it like super white. And for the water, I'm going to use the transparent glycerin, and yeah, I'm going to color the water in blue. I don't want it to be that deep blue, so it's going to be a little bit dark, but not that dark. And yeah, and the upper part is going to be really, really clear, like an aqua tone. So yeah, I'm going to melt this. And also, guys, I'm adding the vanilla and the mint fragrance. And guys, everything that I'm using is specially made for soap. Like, you cannot add a perfume or something like that. You have to add special fragrance for soaps. Yeah, I just wanted to say that. And yeah, I'm going to melt this. I'm going to mix it with the oils, with the fragrance, and with the colors. And yeah, I'm so excited, guys. I really hope that this turns out really, really, really well, because these are gifts. This one, I like this baby. So just like a thin layer is going to in there. Guys, it stopped recording, and I don't know in which part it stopped recording, but yeah, it is still mixing. I hope that you saw it, but I just add blue and then a little bit of white over, like just in zigzag, and now it's still mixing a little bit. So yeah, I'm so excited. Let's continue. I'm going to wait until this like completely becomes solid, and then I'm going to add a lighter blue.
I would have held long until the edge. If I could, I would be telling you that.
Now let's add some rubbing alcohol, cooling on bubbles in the right part. And now we're going to wait until this becomes solid.
We let it slide, front of us. We say goodbye.
So I'm going to remove this. Yeah. And this is how our soap looks. And now, because I feel a little bit artistic, I want to try something really different. And it's that I'm going to add white first, but I'm just going to add like just two spots of white here and there. Yes, yeah, then like that. Some rubbing alcohol in there, and then I'm going to add my mixture.
From the beginning, I didn't know what we had. I didn't see clearly.
And some rubbing alcohol, of course.
Holding me back. If I could, I would be telling you to love me, pulling you into my chest. If I knew it was the last time, I wouldn't have said what I said. 'Cause I said goodbye. We let it slide, front of us. We say goodbye. 'Cause
Okay guys, so I think this looks pretty good. So I'm going to let it sit like, I don't know, about an hour or more. I don't know, I don't want to mess up when I unmold this. And then later we can see how this is really going to turn out. But I think that it looks amazing. It's so cute. I love it so much. I'm a little afraid of unmold this. So see you guys.
we say goodbye.
This looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. This looks so pretty, guys. Okay guys, so I think that this is so pretty. It looks exactly as I wanted, like different tones and with some warm marbles and everything. So I really hope that you liked the video, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.